Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have another delicious recipe for you. Today we're going to be making some amazing black bean and corn veggie fajitas. They are going to be absolutely amazing, so you're definitely going to want to try them after watching this video. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into our recipe. We're going to interrupt your video right now just to let you know that we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button down there so that you can watch all of the new videos that we post every week. We're going to post 2 videos every week. You want to make sure you see those recipes. So click subscribe and then punch that notification bell so you know when the videos come out. And now, back to your video. So the main step for our fajitas is to make the fajita veggies and the filling for our dish. So take a pan and add in 2 teaspoons of avocado oil or any other oil that you want to use and allow it to heat up over medium heat. Once the oil is warm enough and begins to move around like water, into our pan goes 1 bell pepper or 4 to 5 mini colorful bell peppers chopped into strips. Along with that, we're also going to add in half of an onion that has been cut into big chunks or pieces. Give it a quick toss and saute for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the peppers and onions begin to soften up a bit. Also, you don't want to keep stirring it too much because you want your veggies to get a bit of a char from the pan. Once the veggies are cooked a bit and have softened up, into the pan we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of cayenne or chipotle chili powder. Give it all a nice mix until the seasoning is well combined with the veggies. You can also use 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning if you don't have the individual seasonings in your pantry. Once the seasoning is well mixed into the veggies, into our pan we are going to add in 1/3 cup of corn kernels and 1 15-ounce can of black beans that has been strained and rinsed. Give it all another quick mix to allow the corn and beans to mix in with the seasonings and to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes along with the other veggies. Give it a quick taste and add any seasoning if needed, and once that's done, we can wait another minute or so before we take our fajita veggies off of the stove and our filling is complete. Now we're almost ready to assemble and dig in. However, the first thing we're going to do is take a skillet and just quickly warm up our taco-sized tortillas for about 30 seconds on each side over medium to high heat. Once our tortillas are done, we are now ready to move over to our filling station and assemble our fajitas. So now, as you can see here, we have plenty of fillings and plenty of toppings. Now these are just some suggestions on what you can put in your fajitas along with the seasoned veggies that we made. So first, apply some sour cream to your tortilla and then add in your black bean, corn, and veggie filling. Next, we're going to add in some seasoned rice and then follow that up with some spicy salsa as well as some homemade mango salsa. Last but not least, we will top with some shredded cheese. And there we have it, guys. That is one awesome looking dish. Now we are going to make one more because just like one is not enough, right? You definitely want to eat at least 2. So once it's done, here is our final dish, and man, oh man, that looks awesome. So I can't wait to dig in, and we're gonna just head over right now so that I can taste it. So guys, we have our final fajitas right here. Oh my God, they smell amazing. So I am going to dig in. You know, it's making my mouth water. I am ready to eat. I am hungry, good to go. That is so good. There's so many amazing flavors in there. You have the heat from the hot sauce. You have the awesome salsas that we added, the rice, the cheese, and then of course you have our fajita veggies and bean and corn mix at the bottom that's packed full of amazing flavors, spices, and the lemon juice, which is awesome. So this is so good. You definitely need to try this out for yourself, especially if you love Mexican food or if you love fajitas in general. You're gonna fall in love. So try it out, let us know how it turns out for you, and keep on cooking.